So here we have a polar bear, let's call her P, and an elephant E. And it says that the polar bear and the elephant weigh a total of 700 kilograms. So together they weigh 700. It also says that the bear weighs 3 times more than the elephant. So we can express that as P equals 3E. So the weight of the polar bear is 3 times the weight of the baby elephant. So, because P equals 3E, we can substitute 3E into the top equation. So we get 3E plus E equals 700, where the 3E is the weight of the polar bear. So 4 equals 700, and we can work out that E will be equal to 700 over 4 if we divide both sides by 4. So E is equal to 175. That is the weight of the elephant in kilograms. So as we know they both weigh, together they weigh 700, we just take 175 off 700 to get the polar bear's weight, making sure we read the question carefully. So the polar bear will weigh 525 kilograms.